Ready to trade pocket option differently, ditching the charts and diving into raw market reality. Today, we're unlocking pocket option trading strategies that shine without a single candlestick or indicator on your screen, focusing purely on what truly moves the market. Step 1. Master price action. Forget patterns. Pay attention to raw price movements. Is the price consistently moving up, down, or consolidating with minimal volatility? Observe the speed and force of these movements. A sharp, sustained push in one direction, even without visual patterns, can signal a short-term trend. Step 2. Tap into market sentiment. What is the general feeling about an asset? Is it fear driving sellers or greed pushing buyers? Look for news headlines, social media discussions, and even general economic reports related to the asset. If major news suggests positive sentiment, even without charts, you can infer potential upward pressure. Step 3. Leverage fundamental analysis. This is about the underlying value for currency pairs. Consider interest rate changes, inflation, and geopolitical stability for company stocks or assets. Look at earnings reports, product launches, or regulatory changes. Strong fundamentals can provide a longer-term tailwind even if short-term price action seems uninspired on a chart. Step 4. Combine and act. When you see a confluence of a strong price push, positive sentiment, and sound fundamental data, that's your signal. Place your trade directly on pocket option, focusing on the direction the market is likely heading. If the price is climbing steeply, sentiment is buzzing positively about the asset, and good news has just dropped, it's a strong indicator to consider an uptrade. And when the market aligns with your analysis of these non-visual cues, you're positioned to win. Practice these skills, and you'll discover a powerful, uncluttered way to conquer pocket option.